Meta is rolling out a powerful new tool to help Facebook Reels creators protect their original content from being stolen or reposted without permission. The feature, called Facebook Content Protection, uses the same matching tech as Meta's Rights Manager to scan for copies of your Reels on both Facebook and Instagram. When a match is detected, creators get alerts in the app and can choose what to do next: track the copied post's performance and keep it live, block the reposted reel so it's no longer visible, or add attribution links, which label the video as original by and direct viewers to the creator's profile or original reel. The tool is mobile only for now, but Meta plans to bring it to desktop later in the creator dashboard. It's automatically enabled for creators in Facebook's content monetization program who meet certain originality standards. There are some limits. In cases where creators choose to block a matched reel, the offending account doesn't get banned. Meta says that's to prevent abuse. And if creators wrongly claim others' work, they risk losing access to the content protection tool. For creators, this is a big step forward. It gives them more visibility and control when their work gets reposted, rather than watching it spread freely. But whether it actually stops rampant content theft depends on how well the matching works and how creators use the tools. Meta's new tool is promising, especially for serious Reels creators. But it's not a full enforcement hammer. It's more like a smart radar plus optional shield. How would you use it? Block, track, or just track plus attribute?